Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the word concrete. Concrete as an adjective at a B2 level means real and solid, able to be seen, felt, or experienced. It refers to something definite and specific, not abstract or general. Think of it as the opposite of vague or theoretical. So, concrete describes something tangible or clearly defined. Now, let's explore some synonyms. One excellent synonym is tangible. For example, instead of saying I need concrete evidence, you could say I need tangible evidence. See how that works? Another synonym is definite. We might say the deadline is concrete or the deadline is definite. A third synonym is specific. Instead of give me concrete examples, you could say give me specific examples. These synonyms all convey the sense of clarity and reality that concrete implies. Okay, let's flip things around and look at antonyms. An antonym of concrete is abstract. While concrete ideas are clear and well-defined, abstract ideas are more conceptual and not based on physical reality. For example, you might say love is an abstract concept, contrasting it with the building is made of concrete blocks. Another antonym is vague. If something is concrete, it's the opposite of vague. Instead of having concrete plans, someone might have vague ideas about their future. A third useful antonym is theoretical. A theoretical concept is based on ideas, while something concrete is based on fact. For example, the plan sounded good in theoretical terms, but lacked concrete details. You can see how these antonyms help us understand the nuance of concrete by showing us what it is not. So how can you use concrete in everyday life? Well, think about when you need to be clear. For example, if you're giving someone directions, you want to provide concrete instructions, not just tell them to go that way. Or, imagine you're at work and your boss asks for feedback on a project. They'll want concrete suggestions, not just general complaints. When discussing future plans, it's helpful to move from abstract dreams to concrete steps. You might say to a friend, let's make concrete plans for our vacation instead of just talking about it. Now, let's look at some example sentences and phrases. First, the police are looking for concrete proof of his involvement in the crime. This emphasizes the need for tangible evidence, not just suspicion. Second, we need to take concrete steps to address climate change. This suggests immediate and real action, rather than just discussion. Third, the architect presented a concrete design for the new library. This means the design was detailed and well-defined, not just a rough sketch. Fourth, can you give me some concrete examples of how this policy will affect employees? This seeks clear and specific instances, not just general impressions. Fifth, his argument lacked concrete evidence and relied heavily on speculation. This highlights the absence of factual support. Sixth, the company has set concrete goals for increasing sales this year. This denotes specific and measurable targets. Seventh, the teacher asked the students to write a concrete description of their favorite place. This requires detailed and sensory descriptions. Eighth, the city council is considering a concrete proposal for improving public transportation. This implies a detailed plan. Ninth, before investing, make sure you have a concrete understanding of the risks involved. This stresses the importance of grasping specific dangers. 10th, the witness provided a concrete account of what she saw. This suggests a clear and detailed recollection. So, to recap, concrete means real and solid. It's tangible, definite, and specific. Its antonyms include abstract, vague, and theoretical. Remember to use concrete when you want to emphasize clarity, reality, and specificity in your communication. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of concrete helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, Please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn alongside us. Now, for a little homework. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word concrete and share it as a comment under the video. I look forward to seeing your creative examples. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.